Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Jabra Elite 7 Pro with any Android phone or tablet. First of all, you have to open this charging case and then remove left and the right earbud. As you can see, we can find some indicators right here. And right now we have to click and hold the both buttons together until this indicator starts blinking blue. There we go. Right now put them close to your Android phone or Android tablet. Go to the Bluetooth, click to pair new device, select your Jabra Elite 7 Pro from the list, accept the pairing. Next, I can recommend you to download the Jabra Sound Plus application. So open this Play Store. On your Android device, go to the search pool and get the Jabra Sound Plus application, this one. You have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, so let's get it right now. Right now we can open this application and accept every permission that pops on the list. On the list, on the screen. Basically in front of you on your device. Click continue at the bottom of the list. Click skip in the right upper corner. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.